Riflecx Gun Care System is a complete solution for the comprehensive maintenance of firearms, ensuring their long-term and reliable operation. All products are manufactured in Poland and have received positive evaluations from the Military Institute of Armament Technology and Air Force Institute of Technology. Always disassemble the firearm according to the manufacturer's instructions and adhere to all safety procedures. Disassembly of a double-barreled shotgun. Check the cartridge chambers for ammunition. Remove the forend. Press the key to break the weapon and disconnect the bascule from the barrels. Preparation for the care process. Lay out the Riflecx mat on the table. Secure the mat with the Riflecx foiled cleaning cloth, which absorbs dirt perfectly and leaves a dry surface underneath. Always place the cleaning cloth with the foiled side down. Bore foam Riflecx tightly fills the barrel, effectively removing any dirt. For more convenient cleaning of long barrels, a 60cm application tube is included. Shake the can for at least 30 seconds before use. Clip the application tube to the can containing the foam. Insert the tube into the end of the barrel, plugging the barrel outlet with your finger. Apply the foam gradually while pulling out the tube. Repeat the procedure for the second barrel. Set the parts with the applied foam aside for 10 minutes to allow the foam to work. While the foam cleans the barrels, clean the remaining elements of the weapon. If the foam starts to lose density before 10 minutes have elapsed, reapply. Compressed air, essential for removing sand, dust, and excess product from hard-to-reach areas. It does not contain water. Attach the application tube to the compressed air can. Use compressed air to remove sand and dirt particles from all gun components. Always use the can vertically. Gun cleaner. The strictly selected chemical composition and the highest pressure among market formulations make it effective in rinsing out all dirt and leaving the weapon clean and degreased. Gun cleaner is also safe for composite or wooden parts. Shake the can for at least 30 seconds before use. Use the gun cleaner to remove contaminants from all weapon components. The product's high pressure and optimized formulation effectively rinse away dirt without the need for brushes. After using the gun cleaner, the weapon will be clean and degreased, but unprotected. Do not store such a weapon in a gun cabinet, as there is a risk of corrosion. Remove gun cleaner residue with the Riflecx cleaning cloth. A specialized cleaning material with a very strong fiber weave, ideal for both dry and wet work. Cut resistant. Leaves no threads on the cleaned surface. Made from cellulose and polyester, it has a high absorption coefficient. Care spray. Contains original Teflon, which regenerates micro damage to the metal and forms an effective anti-corrosion coating. It does not leave an oily film and is safe for wooden parts and composite materials, leaving a dry, shiny, and corrosion-protected surface. The hydrophobic properties of Teflon prevent water from sticking to the weapon, enhancing shooting comfort in rain or snow. Needles and sand will not adhere to the surface. To protect your weapon against corrosion, carefully apply care spray to each clean and dry part of the weapon. Remove excess product using the Riflecx cleaning cloth and use compressed air for hard-to-reach areas. Remove residual bore foam from the barrel with gun cleaner. Pay particular attention to the cartridge chambers and ejectors. If the barrel was heavily fouled, use bore snake Riflecx for thorough cleaning. Equipped with copper brushes and a wider end of the string to dry the barrel, the possibility to connect the end significantly speeds up the cleaning process. Always use the bore snake in the caliber of the gun being cleaned. Insert the start of the bore snake into the barrel until it exits the other end. Connect the ends by tightening them firmly. Pull the bore snake straight out of the barrel, ensuring the ends are tightly twisted. Never pull the bore snake out diagonally to avoid damaging the crown. Repeat the process on both barrels. Preserve the barrel with care spray, applying the product inside and outside the barrels. Dry the barrels using patches or wipers, always dragging from the cartridge chamber to the barrel exit. This is not critical whilst drying a shotgun barrel, but it is a good habit. If you do not have a wiper, you can dry the barrel with a bore snake. CLP Oil, intended for lubrication of moving parts of the weapon, ensuring smooth operation and preventing jams. The oil protects against excessive wear and provides protection against corrosion even under high temperatures. Apply a few drops of oil to the ejectors, including the pins, bolts, and moving parts of the forend. Spread evenly over the lubricated surfaces. Ceramic grease prevents seizing of components and is ideal for protecting the chokes in a shotgun. It is heat resistant up to 1400 degrees Celsius and maintains high ductility at low temperatures, confirmed by the Air Force Institute of Technology. If you use chokes in your shotgun, apply ceramic grease to a clean surface under the choke, then install the choke itself. Connect the barrel to the bascule and fit the forend. Thoroughly wipe the weapon of excess preparations with a Riflecx CX cleaning cloth or microfiber cloth. Riflecx ENG Gun Care System Hunter Set, dedicated to double barrel and bolt action weapons. Available for purchase online or in store. Find a list of shops at riflecx.com.